my baby. It's my baby girl. It's my baby girlness. It's my baby girlness. Oh, my baby girl. My baby boy. Oh, my baby boy. It's my baby girlness. Oh, my baby girl and my baby boy and my baby girlness. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They're going on the TV here. And my big baby boy doesn't want me to touch him. No, you don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, yeah. Don't touch me. I don't want to be touched. Don't touch me. It's my Molly girl. My Molly girl wants me to touch me. It's my baby boy. Oh, can't get you. Let me get you. Oh, don't want to. Oh, can't get you. I can't get you. It's that baby boy. That's my baby boy. My baby glass. There's activity here. Oh my goodness. Oh. What? What is it? Huh? Oh, here comes Gummy Bear. It's my Gummy Bear. He's a Gummy Bear. It's a Gummy. It's my Molly girl. Go outside. Outside. Come on. Try and make it outside. You can't see nothing. Come on. Want to go outside or not? No? Okay. Hear that sound? What in the hell is that sound here? Sound is that hose down there. It's watering the plants. These things here. Isn't it? Like that. How cool. Huh? Hi there, how you doing?
How you doing?
I'm alive. Oh, your little baby there. Oh, oh, that looks so cute. Oh, my babies want to come out now. Come on. Come on up. Come on up. Oh, my babies. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Look at those babies out there. Oh my goodness. It's my Molly girl and my Max. Oh yeah. That's a curious little thing here. What do you want? Want to go inside? Come on, let's go inside. Come on. Go outside. Go outside. Max! Come on, Max! Can you stay out here? Come on. Come on in the house. Alright. Alright. Here you. Ah, baby goodness. Oh, Gummy Bear. Echo? I think so.